Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by accessing the DTI package immediately. Open the DTI in a hex or UTF-8 text editor so you can see raw entries. Make a backup first, because you will be changing or extracting data that protects the original. Once open, scan for recognizable emoji delimiters or tag keys. These often appear as short hex sequences or escaped Unicode like \UXXXX. You do this now to map the file structure, which lets you locate the emoji code, blocks quickly and reproducibly. Once you have the file visible, search for tag patterns or prefixes that mark emoji entries. Common signs include emoji, or consistent byte markers. When you find candidate sequences, copy the bytes and convert hex or escaped Unicode into characters using an encoder or small script. This reveals the actual emoji. Make sure to note byte offsets and nearby metadata, because context explains mapping rules and whether multi-code point sequences are combined, which prevents misidentifying skin tones. To finish, validate extracted emoji codes by loading them into a renderer, emulator, or the target application. This confirms correctness and reveals ordering or combining rules. If an emoji fails, check for multi-code point sequences and variation selectors. They change appearance. When things go wrong, revert to your backup and rescan neighboring offsets, because corruption or misalignment is common. Make adjustments, re-encode if necessary, and document the working offsets so you can reproduce the extraction reliably next time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.